thsi might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly the best investment you can make. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it makes your daily routine effortless. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere while stocks last. thsi might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly